Coach Luis Nolasco, nalapitan niyo yung tao niyo. Still.
Oh my goodness! Swishes that one in.
Nalitan sila dito ng mga makuha mo from the stripe.
Marcos Chong na naman. Andre Marcos.
Challenging the defense. Parang mga manok yun na nagsasabi. Ito nga, St. Jude. Finding the creases in the defense that they can exploit.
Meantime, Andre Marcos Chong na naman with the 7th point of the contest.
Derrick Rose ka. Ako, Westbrook ako eh. Iba si Brody eh.
Well, meantime, here's Andre Chong knocking it down from deep.
Andre Chong, double figures now with 10 points in. And it's nice to see that they're in control. This early, no, they have that control. Hindi sila yung bara-bara lang.
Speaking of being in control of the ball game, Andre Marcos Chong with
12. That's basic naman kasi, di ba? We always say as coaches to follow your shot because you're the best person who would know where that ball is going to go sa ating mga officials. At minsan hindi nila nakikita talaga kung tumama bola or arm. So to avoid that confusion, avoid reaching in.
Meantime, that's Andre Chong with a nice floater off the...
Kasama yun.
Din,
Yes,
diba?
kasama yun eh. Minsan pag sakto dun sa crease.
There's a steal by Andre Chong. Couldn't get that one in.
Nice follow.
Serving is good.
Nice follow by Andre Chong. Now going back to what...
Pero mamaya na yan, Coach. Andre Chong na naman. Another steal, this time by Chong. And Andre Chong converts 20 big points. Tingnan muna natin to. Marcos Andre Chong. Surreal.